brush my eyeball one more time and don't lose my mind.
It's Madison. Welcome back to the weirdest place on the internet. I'm one half of the sister duo and we're so happy to have you here on this channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title and a little bit by my shirt, I'm going to show you guys how I did my Pride eye look. Probably already seen Mackenzie's vlog that went up Wednesday. If you haven't, you need to go ahead and go check that out. So supposedly Pride Month already ended, but I feel like we should always be celebrating and supporting the LGBTQIA+ community. If I can do this eye look, you can do this eye look. I am by no means a makeup artist. I wouldn't consider myself very good at makeup, but I get by. So I'm gonna put up my hers. When I'm doing looks like these, I don't like to do my base first. I'm normally a base before eyes girl, but especially when I'm doing liquid eyeliner, I do my eyes first. This is the look that we're going for. I'm just putting primer on my whole face. I might as well just go ahead and do it. I take my Makeup Revolution concealer and I just put some on my eyelids.
I'm making sure this is blended.
This is gonna look absolute when I'm editing. You're absolutely right. I am sadly taking the James Charles X Morphe palette just because it's the only rainbow palette I've got. I'm starting with a white eyeshadow on the bottom. I'm taking just on any brush, any kind of little packer brush, I guess. I don't know what these brushes are called. I'm not going to pretend to be a guru. I'm going to do the top first. So if you remember that picture, it's warm colors on the top, cool colors on the bottom. I'm going to take B, but any yellow, bright yellow color, like a true yellow, will work. And you're just gonna take it. Okay. You have your yellow. Put her away, you don't need her right now. You're gonna take a new brush. This one, obviously, as you can see, is orange. So we're gonna go into orange next. This one right here. Oh, I just touched it. Okay. Well.
You are really dumb.
Okay.
You're probably gonna hear my dad vacuuming. So if you hear that, sorry if it's distracting, but I really can't. I'm not gonna move and I'm not gonna stop right now.
In my eyes specifically, so like if you have similar shaped eyes, do the exact same thing, but you probably don't. I like to pat it, and then I also like to go into the crease. So I'm kind of doing one of these. You can see now that it's mostly orange, and now there's little to no yellow.
I'm trying to talk over my dad.
Going back in with yellow, and I just kind of go back and forth.
You better be lucky I love him.
Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we got that part done. Now we're gonna have to go in and deepen it up a bit.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
You know, we're just gonna sit here and wait for a second because now my mom's drying her hair and my dad is vacuuming.
My dad is now washing my mom's car. But I'm gonna keep going because I have to edit, so I have to get this video filmed and done. Let me zoom back in. Back, you're joking. You're actually joking. We are going to deepen this crease up a little bit. This little blender brush. And I'm taking this orangey red shade, which is called Rusted. I'm gonna take this one right here And we're going for the red shade, don't worry.
Literally no one at home was worrying.
So we're just patting. Now the AC is coming on. This is why I hate filming. I would rather just stay in my little area and edit instead of doing this and having to deal with this stuff. We're gonna go back with the orange brush and we're gonna just brighten that orange back up because we want all the colors to show. Okay, and then we're gonna take the same brush that I just used for the lighter red and we're going to take, you're kidding, true red right there. Try to avoid using like a bricky red or like a dark red. Just, you need like literal red. Just taking the red and putting it on the very inner corner right here. You're not gonna take it all the way in, you're just keeping it right here, and you might go to maybe like the center of your eye. There's a reason that I blow all my shadows out so much, and it's because, as you can see, my eyes are hooded. That's why I bring my shadows up so high. It's hard enough because I wear glasses to kind of show off my eye makeup because I love doing eye makeup, but like there's not really much of a point to it because then I put my glasses back on, everyone's like,
Oh my god. You did your eye makeup? I had no clue.
this is what the top's looking like. I'm gonna do my base because you don't need to see my base. And then we're gonna do the under lash line.
That is not correct.
I'm going into Literally, which is this pinky iridescent kind of color. I take it with my finger. I don't like it to be like that on my eye. So I'm gonna take it and kind of wisp it out a little bit like glitter.
Cam back.
And my face is done and I have my eyeliner on. She's looking a little thick today. I use one brush and I can hear all the makeup artists cringing. So first we're gonna take Skip, which is this hot pink right here. We're gonna take it and put it in the very inner corner.
That didn't do absolutely anything.
Okay, so you have the pink. You're gonna want to use a bright purple, not a...
Yeah.
You're gonna wanna use a bright purple, not a dark purple, because this is going to make your look more like dungy and like not cute. We're gonna go back into Skip, which is the pink. I'm gonna brighten this up.
If I brush my eyeball one more time, I won't lose my mind.
Then for blue, there's a couple different blues in here, but you're gonna want this bright blue, which is more of a teal. What is this called? Playground? Yeah. On the same brush because I am lazy. Let's get it.
And we're doing dishes. Love that for me.
So this is the situation. Now we're going to do the green. I'm taking a... I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna take a lime green. Any lime green will do. I'm using Social Blade. We're going to do green into the inner corner. Focus. You're just going in here. Okay, and there is the bottom lash line. Now we're gonna do shimmer. And I like to go ham, especially with a look like this. This is the eyeshadow. I'm going to try to pop on some lashes. If not, I'm just gonna come back on here with mascara. So we'll see in the next clip. And there it is with the lashes. These are much heavier than the lashes that I had in the picture because I can't find my lashes anywhere. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you actually learned something. I'm not very good at giving instructions, so sorry. That is how I did my rainbow eye look for Pride, and even though Pride Month is over, we don't have to stop celebrating and supporting. So I hope you enjoyed watching me put a rainbow on my face. If you have not already, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button that's gonna be over here this time. And make sure you turn on those post notifications so you know when me and Mackenzie post on this amazing channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All of them are Maddie_Laureen. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Want to say bye?
Bye.
Goodbye.